Want to share your daily moments on WhatsApp but keep them away from certain eyes? Let's dive into how you can block specific contacts from seeing your status, giving you ultimate control over your privacy. First, open WhatsApp on your phone now. Look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 vertical dots. This opens up a menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your WhatsApp settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your account. Scroll down until you find Privacy and tap on it. This section is all about controlling who can see your information and activity on WhatsApp. In the privacy settings, find and tap on Status. This opens the status privacy options, allowing you to choose who can view your status updates. You'll see 3 options: My Contacts, Accept, and Only Share with. Select My Contacts, Accept. This is the option that lets you block specific people from seeing your status. A list of your contacts will appear now. Tap on the contacts you want to block from seeing your WhatsApp status. A checkmark will appear next to their names, indicating they've been selected. Once you've selected all the contacts you want to block, tap the green checkmark at the bottom right corner of the screen. This saves your changes. You'll be taken back to the status privacy screen, and you'll see a note indicating how many contacts you've excluded, and that's it. Now, those specific contacts won't be able to see your status updates.